Hey campers, it's time to cook with Tundra again. So today we are going to use some of the supplies that you got in your camper box or some that you find at home, and we are going to make s'mores cones. Today to make s'mores cones, you're going to need some chocolate or mini chocolate chips, some mini marshmallows, some Teddy Grahams, or here I've got some gluten-free graham bunnies, and you're going to need some sugar cones, as well as some aluminum paper to put it all in. All right, so to start, you're going to take your ice cream cone. I like to put one marshmallow in the bottom. Then you're going to add some chocolate, a marshmallow or two, a couple grams, and just rotate it through some more chocolate, some more marshmallows, and some grams. Just stuff that cone full and it will be yummy. Once you have it all stuffed, we're going to take it from the edge of our aluminum foil, and I'm curving it over the top to hold it in, and then I'm going to roll it. Now see, this piece is extra long, so I'm going to fold it over, and I can just keep rolling. And now, it's ready to go in our baking safe dish to go in the oven. All right, campers, once they're in your oven safe dish, grab your adult human to help you put them in the oven with their hot pads. You're gonna open the oven door, pull out the tray, set them on it, and push it back in. And close the door. And you're gonna pull them out when they're all melty. All right, my aluminum foil is cooled and I'm ready to open up to reveal my s'more cone. Be careful opening it. It could be hot in the inside. This is the fun part where you get to remember how the heck you wrapped the darn thing up. Ooh, look at that melted marshmallow. Yum. Scoop it up. And that looks delicious. And our taste tester is none other than Noodle.
Ooh.